wish I could chill with you right now, but I gotta make this video. See you soon. Yo, what up? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, man. I'm out here on the early morning, and I'm about to do something that I've never done, man. But I'm about to pay resale for a hat. I mean, it was a hat that I really wanted. I struck out on Black Friday when it first released, and now, man, I gotta try to make it happen, man. I haven't seen it on eBay, so I gotta do a meetup in person, and that's where I'm on my way to, man. Let's get it. Yeah, man, so I'm here right now. You know, I just pulled up. I'm waiting for old boy to pull up, you feel me? It took me about 30 minutes to get here, which wasn't too bad. But yeah, man, I got my mask. You see, I got my mask on, you feel me? Gotta be prepared during these times, you dig? Man, just finished the transaction, man. Everything went cool. Dude was cool, you feel me? Went ahead, took a look at the hat, gave him the bread, and was up out of there, man. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all that review in 3, 2, 1. Yo, what up? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie coming to you with another review. Now, you see what time it is, man. We got the box, Hat Club box right here. And you saw the clips that led up to this moment, man. I had to do something that I had never done before, and that's pay resale for a hat, man. I usually have a pretty good chance whenever I check out on Hat Club getting what I want, but this time it was different, man. Let's go ahead and open up the box, man. Like I said, I had to buy this retail, so it was already open, so it's no slicing down the middle. We're not peeling it back this time, man, but still shout out to the peel back gang, you feel me? This is the hat, man. This is the hat that got me doing things I had never done before. We got the JaeTips infrared icy bottom right there, man. Now, this hat came out on Black Friday, and I was waiting probably, I think they put the picture out about a week before, and I said, okay, I'm gonna set my alarm. I need that JaeTips, man. I just got this JaeTips, so it's like it was a 2-part set. So it's like I had this one, I had to grab this one. Make a long story short, man, I try to check out. PayPal did me wrong. Now, PayPal is what I usually use to check out with, and they usually hold me down, man. But this time, they asking for all types of information that has previously been saved. So I didn't know what was going on, man. Long story short, didn't get the hat, man. Had to go find a reseller. And I went on eBay. I went on eBay first, because usually I don't like to have to meet with nobody, do all that extra stuff. I just send the money, you send the hat, and we good to go. But for this bad boy, I said, you know, I need to meet in person and make sure the person not only has the hat, but it's brand new, condition, everything like that, man. So let's get into the hat, man. We got the New York Yankee right here, man. JaeTips Hat Club collab right here. This joint is pure fire. We got the all infrared. We got the icy blue bottom on this joint, man. We got the white sweatband, you feel me? Most of the JaeTips do come with that white sweatband. So, I mean, I didn't think that there was going to be anything different here. He did 2 other hats earlier in the year, and they both had the Subway Series side patch. Now, this is where things get interesting, man. We got the 1999 patch right there. I mean, look at the colors on this, man. You got that blue, which is going to match that icy blue bottom. You have a little bit of that purple, which to me, I feel like that purple is kind of matching this one. Hopefully you can see it right there, but we got the purple, man. We got a little bit of silver in there. Like, this patch really goes crazy, man. I'm digging the whole concept, because I feel like since the purple one came out before, you get a little bit of purple, but then you still get that icy, which is going to tie in with your brim. And I'm big on coordination. You know, I like to coordinate, you feel me? I'm big on that, so I like those details. On the back, we have a flat Batterman logo right there in that icy blue and white. We got the infrared button top. On the inside, we have the hat size, new era, Cooperstown collection. And like I said, I'm big on coordinating. And so one of the main reasons why I wanted this hat is because I had this pair of Huaraches. And I've had this pair of Huaraches for like, I don't know, 3-4 years. And as soon as I saw the picture of this hat, I said, oh, I got some shoes that might match. And looking at it right now, it's a pretty decent match. You know, it's not exactly the same color, but they're pretty close, man. I wanted to come outside and give you guys an outside shot of the hat, just so you guys can see the colors a little bit more, give you an idea what they match with. Right here, I have the Jordan 6 infrared, and it's a pretty good match. It's about the same color. So yeah, let's go ahead and try this hat on, man, because this is one of those ones, man. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this Yankee on, JaeTips Collab. This one actually seems to fit a little bit bigger than my other one, which is a size 7 1/8. So it feels a little bit more roomy. Let me try this one on again, just to verify. Oh yeah, this one feels a little bit tighter. So I'm not sure if you have both. Go ahead and test it out for yourself. But to me, the infrared is feeling a little bit more loose, a little bit bigger. Let me try this back. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, you can put the ears in on this one. It's definitely a little bit bigger, man. But like I said, the hat is fire, man. If you were able to get your hands on it, I know you feel me. And if you weren't, I feel your pain, because I was there, man. I actually inquired with a couple of people from Instagram to see about getting the hat. You know, they posted it. But then I was like, man, should I really send this person some bread without knowing if they ever going to actually send the hat? So that's why I went the meetup route, you feel me? Like I usually like to stay away from the meetups in person. But I'm like, eBay is cool. If they do something tricky, you just get your money back. But if you just Cash App somebody, or, you know, PayPal them like a gift type thing, I mean, you putting yourself at risk, man. So I went with the in-person meetup. The dude was real cool. Everything worked out smoothly, man. I appreciate him. And actually, he's kind of into the, I guess, hat club resale business. So if I ever miss out on anything, he told me just hit him up. And I'm gonna make sure I do that if I do miss. Now, hopefully I won't miss, but if I do, I got somebody on speed dial who I can hit up, man. Go ahead, please give this video a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. I got more stuff coming up, and I actually have a giveaway coming real soon. Now, I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. One, you need to follow my Instagram. That's where I'm going to put all the rules and stuff like that for this giveaway that I have coming up. My Instagram is The Official Ace. It's THE Official Ace. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right there, man. I mean, you can't really go wrong with the JaeTips, man. It feels good to have two of these boys, man. And I'm out.